Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Moses Lake. Wow. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located off Interstate 90, this motel is a 7-minute drive from downtown Moses Lake and Papa's Casino. It features simply furnished rooms with a cable TV. Free access to the seasonal outdoor pool is provided to all guests of the Motel 6 Moses Lake. Laundry facilities and free on-site parking are also available. A telephone with free local calls and air conditioning are included in every bright room at the Moses Lake Motel 6. All rooms have a private bathroom. Grant County International Airport is a 17-minute drive from the motel. Moses Pointe Golf Club is 6.4 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.